The Jordan MVP 92 Black Infrared is gearing up to dominate the sneaker scene as Jordan Brand pushes this hybrid model deeper into the spotlight. Drawing inspiration from iconic designs like the Jordan 7 and echoing the energy of Raptors, Black Gloss, and the upcoming Air Jordan 6 Reverse Infrared set for All-Star Weekend 2026, this pair delivers a modern twist with unmistakable heritage vibes. Its bold black upper, striking infrared hits, and fiery Nike Air branding on the heel make it an instant standout for fans craving retro aesthetics with fresh execution. Positioned as a more accessible option compared to high-demand retro drops, the MVP 92 Black Infrared is expected to release around holiday 2025 to spring 2026 at a retail price of $145. For collectors, hoopers, and Jordan loyalists, this release represents the next chapter of the fast-rising MVP 92 era, built to turn heads and spark hype on and off the court.